Two girls growing up so fast. And things couldn't be better.
What is that?
Okay, let's clear it all out. It's demo day!
Wait, what's happening? Who are you people?
What's going on?
Wait, you can't. Whoa! Hey, what are you doing?
All right, she's all set.
Set with what? Orange? Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color.
Not me. Hello? Oh my gosh, I'm anxiety. Where can I put my stuff?
A new emotion. Wow.
Oh, I'm sorry. We wanted to make such a good first impression.
What do you mean, we?